adventure, relaxation, family, fun. These are the reasons why we RV. When flat towing your car behind your RV, you need a braking system that works to get you on the road quickly, to allow you to focus on your family and the memories you're making. RVibrake Shadow is a permanently installed brake, always ready and waiting to keep you safe in whatever RVing adventure awaits. RVers want to get on the road as quickly as possible to start their adventures. Technology in RVibrake Shadow automatically recognizes when you're towing, so there is no user setup required. It's always ready. You will get instant feedback of proper installation and performance from the multicolored LEDs, or in your motorhome right on the RVI Command Center tablet. RVibrake Shadow senses when you're braking in the motorhome and applies the brakes in the towed vehicle so that you can stay focused on what matters most. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you don't want to be distracted from the cherished moments that happen when you RV. And while you're having fun, RVibrake Shadow's built-in battery charger allows the RV to keep your towed battery topped off and ready to roll. Traditionally, permanent installed braking systems require expensive installations that can take 6 to 8 hours to install. Because of RVibrake Shadow's plug-and-play design, you or your local dealer can install the Shadow in under 2 hours. Simply make connections and go. Get RVibrake Shadow. Stay focused on what matters.